What's up guys, it's me, Jamie, and today I will be reviewing the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 after a year and a half of daily usage. At only $40, the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 is an excellent fitness tracker with various smart features which enable you to live an active life in addition to having an insane 20-day battery life, all coming in a sleek and stylish package. Design. The Mi Band 4 has a nice, clean and minimal design which should look great on anyone's wrist during any situation. The real centerpiece of this watch is the large 0.95-inch AMOLED touchscreen display which has a max brightness of 400 nits. This is ideal for usage outside in daylight as you can still see the time. It also functions as a good watch with a variety of Xiaomi watch faces in addition to a myriad of third-party ones which are easy to install through apps. The display is not always on, but you can turn it on through a tap or flick of a wrist. With the wristband form factor, the Mi Band 4 is so small and light, I often forget that I'm even wearing it. The band is made of silicone and is comfortable. You can also detach the fitness tracker from a band to swap with other first and third party options in a variety of colors and materials. The one design flaw of this watch is that the fact that you have to remove the band from the watch in order to charge it, via aligning it with the 2-pin charging pogo pin. The fitness tracker is also waterproof to 5 ATM, so I can take it in showers and even swim with it. Durability. In the year and a half that I've owned the Mi Band 4, it has held up okay. The screen has collected a couple of minor scratches just from daily usage. Just beware, the band on my Mi Band 4 snapped after a year and a half of daily usage and I had to purchase a replacement band off the internet which took nearly a month to arrive. Activity tracking. In the year and a half of owning the Mi Band 4, it has helped me tremendously with tracking my active life. There are 6 dedicated workout modes: outdoor running, treadmill, cycling and walking, in addition to swimming and workout. This fits the criteria of most of the physical activity that I partake in, but if you do partake in other physical activities, the Mi Band 5 might be a better option as it adds 5 additional sport modes, including rowing, jump rope, yoga and elliptical. In addition to sports, the Mi Band 4 can play an important role in your healthy life through a variety of sensors. There's a heart rate monitor which is decent for tracking your heart rate. Furthermore, the Mi Band 4 can detect when you are not active and then notify you hourly, which is really useful. However, I would have preferred a more goal-oriented user interface like on the Apple Watch to actually motivate you. My only complaint with the activity tracking of the Mi Band 4 is the lack of the built-in GPS, instead relying on GPS on your phone to track your location during workouts. This is quite inconvenient during my running and cycling workouts as I have to bring my phone in my pocket with me to track my location. With the Mi Band 5 lacking a built-in GPS, I hope that future model integrated it. Another feature of the Mi Band 4 is sleep tracking. It is not the most accurate or delivers the best data, but it does the job. Battery life. Battery life of a Mi Band 4 is insane. Even after a year and a half of daily usage, I still get about 20 days of battery life. It is so great having to not go through battery anxiety and having to bring a separate charger along with me on trips. But when you do have to charge, it is cumbersome as you have to remove the band and place it in the charging cradle. Smart features. In addition to the smartwatch and timer, there are a variety of useful smart features in the Mi Band 4 which make it a great accessory to an active life, not just for tech-savvy people. The Mi Band 4 is great at relaying notifications for call, text, social media and even email. This is achieved through a vibration motor. Speaking of vibrations, the Mi Band 4 also functions as an alarm. However, it should only complement your existing alarm, as sometimes it doesn't wake me up. The Find My Device feature is pretty useful for me as I often misplace my iPhone. The weather feature is nice to have, but due to a small screen, there isn't much information displayed on it. I really appreciate the music controls as I can play pause, skip, and even change volume. It's insane that such a small device can even do that. The app. The Mi Fit app works with both iOS and Android and provides various customization options in addition to social features and activity tracking. It has a nice minimal user interface which shows various graphs and statistics. You can see all previous workouts, which is really nice to have. It also allows you to customize alarm, notifications in addition to night mode. Should you buy it? Since the release of the Mi Band 4 in June 2019, the Mi Band 5 has been released with a couple of extra features and an optimized design. The Mi Band 5 now has a brighter, larger and more vibrant 1.1-inch AMOLED display coming from a 0.95-inch AMOLED display. My minor complaint with the Mi Band 4 have all been solved, with 5 extra activity modes and a new charging method which isn't so cumbersome, as you don't have to take the band off the watch to charge it. It also now comes in 6 different colors and adds all-day heart rate tracking. However, battery life is shorter at only 14 days. If you don't care about these extra features, the Mi Band 4 is still an excellent option which I thoroughly recommend. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.